There are 8 parts of speech in the English language: noun, pronoun, verb, adjective, adverb, preposition, conjunction, and interjection.
Don't forget to subscribe Fast Learning channel.
Noun.
Function or job.
Thing or person.
Examples:
Pencil, cat, work, notebook.
sentences,
This is my cat. Verb.
function or job.
Action or state.
Examples:
Get, come, cut, open, like.
sentences,
I like an apple. Adverb.
function or job.
Describe a verb, adjective, or adverb.
Examples:
Silently, badly, really.
sentences,
My cat eats quickly. Adjective.
function or job.
Describes a noun.
Examples:
Small, big, good, well, blue.
sentences,
We like a big cake. Pronoun.
function or job.
Replaces a noun.
Examples:
I, you, he, she, it.
sentences,
He is very clever. Preposition.
function or job.
Links a noun to another word.
Examples:
At, in, of, on, after, under.
sentences,
She was hiding under the table. Conjunction.
function or job.
Joins clauses or sentences.
Examples:
But, and while, when.
sentences,
I am very hungry, but the fridge is empty. Interjection.
function or job.
Short exclamation.
Examples:
Oh. Ouch. Wow.
sentences,
Wow. What a beautiful car.
Don't forget to subscribe Fast Learning channel.